Movie nights will never be the same after we build this versatile Sofa Butler. And when the popcorn's all gone and you want to get cozy, it stores away in seconds. Do most of this with a little help from Genius Home Theater. It's Genius Home Theater, and once again, we are overcoming home theater compromises. Now, this time I can't take credit for the idea, but I can modify it in a way that you will only see right here. I'm gonna build this Sofa Butler project at 3 different skill levels. I'm gonna rank them good, better, and best. All of them are simple and can be crafted in no time. So let's take a look at the main components. We need a surface of some kind to hold the items for this butler. I chose this Lazy Susan from a local home goods store. I removed the Lazy and keep the Susan. It already had the finish I wanted, so this was perfect. Next, we need a base or support in this case. I purchased a 4-foot section of 1x12 common board. You may be able to get away with the 1x8, but I'll later show you why I chose this option instead. Since my top surface is 16 inches across, I'll be making the base 12 inches. 1 chop, and we have a 12x12 piece. Making sure my orientation is correct, I place this between the couch cushions where I'll be using the Sofa Butler. Notice that the cushions are not parallel to the floor. We want this to be level as possible, so this is how I would do it. Place a level where the support and the couch meet. Raise the level on the low side, keeping the high side even with the top of the cushion if possible. Once level, hold the level in place and mark a line across the support. Do your best to cut this line straight, but don't obsess over it. It's not super critical. Use a handsaw, a jigsaw. You can even use your teeth if you want. It doesn't matter because the opposite side is identical and the good edge is the one we want. This is a good time to paint your project to its final color. Center your support and stagger 4 corner brackets to attach the base to the top. If you are good with this, you are done. Lucky for you, this is Genius Home Theater, and I have a better way. This next method allows you to store your Sofa Butler more easily. I'm using a 12-inch piano hinge to attach my support for more versatility and easier storage. Yes, it will fold away, but how do we keep it sturdy? We are going to use these cabinet magnets to handle the lightweight. Attach the hinge to the center of the top first, then place the magnet pairs along the support using the provided double-sided tape or by using screws. It's important to keep these magnets fully engaged while securing these types of cabinet magnets. Next, attach the hinge to the support, again holding firmly so the screws do not get things misaligned. Using all 4 magnets in the set made for a good hold here. Time to test the fit. Yep, it's pretty close to level and it sits firmly between the cushions. But hold up, the best is yet to come. Add magnet pairs to the support using tape or screws. Align the support to the center of the top and press to attach. It's that simple. These simpler magnets can also be used on the hinge assembly. Make sure the magnets you use suit your project. This assembly is the ultimate in ease and versatility because you can interchange serving surfaces in seconds. Genius. Now that you have a new sidekick, I'm sure you can think of more genius ways on how to use it. Let me know down in the comments how you would use something like this in your space. So why do home theater chairs get to have all the fun with all the fancy attachments? Well, with a little brain power, you too can overcome home theater compromises in a snap.